Hi everyone, I'm Local 10's Chief Meteorologist Betty Davis. Let's get you the very latest on Hurricane Maria. Made landfall Monday evening around 9:35 p.m., rolling over the island of Dominica. There have been reports of significant structural damage on that island. It has maximum sustained winds as of 11 p.m. Monday of 160 miles per hour. Should be in an environment where it has no problems maintaining its intensity as it's moving toward the west-northwest and poised to strike the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico, or come very near those islands as we're heading toward Tuesday night into Wednesday, and coming in as a Cat 5 or a Cat 4, and beyond that it's going to weaken some, but by the weekend, by Friday, it starts to get very close to the Turks and Caicos, and also we'll have to keep an eye on the Southeast Bahamas to see how close the system will be to those islands. But at any rate, it is forecast to have more of a churn toward the northwest and then north-northwest with time. Notice on this projected path, it ultimately stays away from South Florida on the current projected path. So let's hope that sticks. We'll continue to track it. Here's the extended forecast for South Florida. We are talking about a 30% chance of rain each afternoon. High temperatures are forecast to reach the low 90s. Have a great, great Tuesday.